Boom! I am certified as a loan signing agent through Loan Signing Systems. Why I became a loan signing agent is because I want to become my own boss. I want to be able to make my own schedule, work when I want to. I have teenagers, I'm a single mom, so being able to be independent and financially stable is one of my biggest dreams. And with the loan signing system course, that gives you all of the tools to be successful and do that and make those dreams come true. You get continued and ongoing training, mentorship, counseling, making sure that you have all the tools that you need to be successful. Mark lets you reach out to him, reach out to the community, get those questions answered. There are live Q&As, there's live trainings. They make you just feel so comfortable in your journey in becoming a loan signing agent. You should do it. It is definitely worth the money. It is worth your success to take this course. If you're on the fence about taking the course, I told myself, what is stopping you? You are the only one stopping you. And once you come to that realization, you can dive right in and be as successful as you want to be. So I hope that you guys take this testimonial as encouragement to get started with the LSS course, and Mark are there to guide you through everything that you need and give you all the tools to be successful. Happy loan signing!